Hey, what's up video, welcome to another video. So this is going to be the Samsung Galaxy A12 device, and as you guys already know that I have already made an unboxing video for that particular device on my channel. So if you haven't checked that out, you can check it. It's linked in the description and in the cards as well. So in this particular video we are going to test out the PUBG Mobile on the Samsung Galaxy A12 device, and this is going to be a budget level device. So let's see how this PUBG Mobile is going to be working on a Helio P35 processor coming inside. So the game is going to start. I will enter as a guest here and see how much time it will take to load the game. We are entering in the PUBG Mobile home screen and see how it's going to take the time in loading. Obviously it will take some time in order to load the device, just because the fact that it is not coming with a higher end processor inside. It's a decent processor which is going to be available. So here's the game that has been arrived, and let's move towards the home screen. And in the home screen the graphics are looking decent, not as much good as we can expect from the other devices, but we have to see inside the settings what kind of a graphics it's coming in. Well, basically it's coming with only two low and medium settings, and we can only use low and medium settings here, nothing fancier. It is expected that we are going to see these graphics inside the Samsung Galaxy A12 device, and I'm really interested in whether we are going to see a gyroscope inside the Samsung A12 device. Yes, it's coming with a gyroscope facility inside, so that is a plus point of having a gyro, because most of the people are looking for devices which are supported with gyroscope. So let's select the level and start playing the main game and see whether this device is going to be handling the PUBG very well, or there is going to be any kind of lag inside. So we are now on the loading screen, and I'm not impressed with the graphic performance of the processor, just because the fact that it's coming with a price tag of at least $180. So I was expecting that there's something new processor, maybe a Snapdragon processor was a best choice for this particular device. But anyhow, we have no choice right now. We will have to see what this device is going to be capable of. And as you can see that the game is running a little bit on the jerkier side. It's not as much smooth as we can expect from a good level processor, but since we know that it's coming with a Helio P35 processor, its performance is going to be a little bit laggy here. So guys, right now we are inside the plane, and the game is running a smoother 60 fps it's giving right now, and we are just landing on the battlefield and see how it's going to perform when we land here or when we enter into the intensive graphic areas of the game. So we are landing in the game, and it's not looking as laggy as it was in the main screen, and performing really good right now. It's not as impressive. It's good, it's decent, considering the fact with the performance and the budget of this particular device. It's running really smooth. Obviously I am seeing that there is no lag here right now. Maybe in the future when we have some other stuff here downloaded on the phone, maybe that is the time when we can expect that a device might lag in the game. But overall the performance is really good considering the prices of these budget level devices. So guys, overall I think that this device is performing really well, because this device is coming with a Helio P35 processor inside, and judging on the processing speed and performance and the graphics of this particular device, I think that the device is running really great in terms of PUBG performance. Obviously there are some hiccups here and there, but we can live with that and can play PUBG Mobile on these particular machines. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about the Samsung Galaxy A12 gaming performance, and subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.